So it is an analytical tools which has a dashboard, and it is divided in terms of organizational architectures. Since organization is divided into the different department, so it can see the analytical department wise and what are you are missing. After that, workflow can accommodate customer rule, triggers approval like discount request, opportunity close, task assignment, and help to manage the directory. Content library facilitates the sharing of document, presentation, and other common collateral. So content library is responsible for the sharing of documents. Social networking includes a feature called the Genius, which allow user to find similar opportunity and expert to help manage them. Is the another module, partner can be managed and tracked. It is also possible to share leads, opportunities, accounts, contacts, and tasks. Recruitment is another module. Recruitment can help to qualify, onboard, train, and track the candidate of employment. It is somewhat related to the human resource. You may recruit the candidate and you may train and track the candidates. After that, another example is a NetSuite. NetSuite is also a CRM, customer relationship module. So what are the features of this NetSuite? Pipeline and opportunity management module, which include the functionality to assign leads territory and examine all quotes, order, and close sales. Order management facility, the action of turning quotes into the order. Means you have a certain requirement and it will convert into the order. Advanced forecasting is not the weather forecasting here. It is the forecasting, means what steps you have to be taken. Advanced forecasting include capabilities such as the probability based forecasting, weight measured of pending opportunity, what the opportunity you have the pending. It can offer the more precise using the forecast category and deal ranges. Incentive management. Every businessman know that incentive is required for a good worker. Otherwise, he will be demoralized. So every business has the certain incentive. Like you have the Paytm promo code, lots of promo code on the internet. That is also a type of incentive for the new user. So incentive measure management provide a multi-tiered commission structure based on the billing or payment. With roll-up reporting, it can consider the target commission and provide flexible period assignment. If needed, it can also integrate directly with the payroll system to effect the changes. Means you can connect this one to your payroll system as well. Upsell manager offer insight into the past purchase and makes the recommendation of likely requirement. Means upsell manager is another module which see the history, and as per the history it will suggest the recommendation. Another important features from NetSuite has launched a global business manager. This is for the international businessman. This is known as the OneWord. It is offered. OneWord offers the on-demand international support to mid-market companies. Multinational organization can manage the companies with the help multiple subsidiaries, business unit, and legal entities in their requirement for the homogeneous and integrated codes. Means MNC can manage their infrastructure in different world. They have certain subsidiary organization. Those can be maintained with the help of NetSuite. It maintains the forecast, campaigns, and analytics. It can handle all the local currencies, taxation rules, and compliance requirements. So it can handle It can handle all the local currencies, taxation rule and compliance. So NetSuite applications NetSuite development tools we will explain. I will explain NetSuite development tools. So first is the SuiteFlex. It is an application development platform for the NetSuite. What is the feature in these software as a service? You may